And welcome back to the Angry Teacher channel. I'm Richard Williams, the Angry Teacher, and today I am so excited. I'm like extremely excited. Now, I was supposed to make this video a long time ago, but life just kept on lifing. This is literally like 2 days before the end of October, and when I got the information, it was, I think, September. And I was like, should I make a reel, should I make a story, or should I make an actual video? I guess I dilly-dallied too long, and now I'm making the video. In any case, this is just an amazing situation. Oh, I'm making a video, girl! What? Yeah. We hung out all day. Can I get a couple of minutes? Whew. All right. By the way, for those of you who've never been here before, or you forgot, I am Richard Williams. I am the teacher, author, the founder of the Angry Teacher store on TPT. I sell teaching resources for teachers of the language arts, whether in middle school or high school. So here's the backdrop. I'm in a different room, by the way. I'm in my bedroom, actually. I got my TPT stuff behind me. I had to close the closet door because, you know, it's a hot mess. And I'm just here. I changed location because I just felt like setting up somewhere else. With that said, I just finished planning. It's taking forever. Yes, I'm doing it at home and I really need to stop doing that. However, that's the only time I had. The only time I had during the week to do it, so I had to get it done because we're doing something new next week. And I'm gonna try to record it. I keep forgetting, but it is what it is. So here's where we are. I'm here clickety-clacking away during the summer and not thinking about much. My birthday's coming up, everybody's hitting me up. My birthday's September 20th, by the way. Virgo's in the house, so everyone's emailing me, texting me, calling me, what are we gonna do, what are we gonna do? So I'm here overwhelmed. I have an organization, it's like a mini fraternity, a baby frat, if you will, called Epsilon at my school, so I'm organizing myself for that. I took 2 TPT workshops over the one's the conference and one's a workshop over summer. I had some PDs, professional developments, for my actual job, my teaching job over the summer. I think I took 2, and I'm here making, creating stuff, and I'm making stuff and people want to hang out. So there's a lot going on. I told you about the cat situation, and with all of that situation, my mom passed in April. So, you know, a lot was going on in the summer, and I've been visiting the dentist like almost every week because I had a lot of work that I needed done, and the doctor and a whole bunch of stuff. It was a very busy summer. So nothing concrete was happening. I'm just here, just working, thinking, and not really focusing on anything. And then I got an email from TPT. I'm like, okay, that's weird. Is another customer complaining, or is this one of those newsletters? Didn't really think much of it. I opened up, and then this happened. I was like, oh my god. I was over the moon. Obviously, all these years, never thought that much about what I was doing and how I was to that milestone, but evidently I was. I'm like, oh my god. It's just amazing to me. All my hard work paid off. So yes, I was like, heck yes, we're hanging out for my birthday. Heck yes, we're doing. And I think I got it, the email, I think it was 2 days before my birthday. I'm like, heck yes, whatever. I'm going, I'm celebrating, I'm having a good time because this is it, right? So it's been 4.5 years on TPT. Now, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what it looks like. And obviously, it's not to brag. Heck no. It's literally to help you, to encourage you, to inspire you. Because, guys, I told y'all in previous videos, I don't know what I'm doing half the time, but it seems to be working, right? And so the more I learn, the more I put in, the more I, it just comes together. Let me get my notes here. All right, so 2018 to 2019, first year, I think I opened the store December, the 1st of December, because I like my round numbers. I have to be doing in the beginning, all that foolishness. I opened up the store, and I think I paid for the premium in the beginning because I just didn't know any better, or I didn't want to do the free thing, or whatever it was. I made, for my first year on TPT, I made $0, like a whole year, like 2018 all the way to 2019, nothing, because I didn't have anything. I had a free product that I think is crap, because I don't remember what it is, and the paid one, I don't even know remember what that is, and it's probably just a Word document. Yes, I'm no different from everybody else who has that story. It just is what it is. That's what we didn't know better, right? So 2020 came around, and I think this was like when COVID started happening. So I'm online, and kids weren't doing anything. They allowed us to give them asynchronous learning. So I kind of threw in some extra time with my TPT shop, and I made a whopping $34. $34, yeah. I was balling, man. I was making all that money. I was like, ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. And then I had to pay my dues, my membership fees. Really? $59. I lost money that year. I'm like, oh my, are you serious right now? Anyway, 2021 came, and so I'm getting better at it. I'm realizing, hey, there's something here. I made $4,000, $4,500, but I was making a little bit more, a lot more, and I was like so over the moon, man. And it just kept getting better. 2022, now I think we're out of COVID. Yeah, I think we're like out of COVID for the most part, or we're back in the building. Not necessarily that COVID is gone, obviously, but we're back in the building. I made $12,000 that year, and I'm like, oh, I'm like, whoa, I can make some money from this. Can't retire yet, but I can make some money. And then 2023, halfway through, because once again, we're still in 2023. This is October 29th. 2 more days before Halloween and all that stuff. And I got this email, I think, once again, September 18th or something, somewhere around there. I have made $11,000 so far this year. At that point, I'm just so excited. So excited. So I got the email. I made the first milestone, and they're congratulating me. I got my gift card and all this stuff, and I'm like, oh my god. Awesome stuff. Let me tell you a couple of lessons that I've learned in these 4.5 years. I've got like 5 lessons that I've learned in the 4.5 years I've been on TPT. First one is keep on learning. As educators, we know this too well, and I'm a firm believer that I need to learn something. Even, when we all are forced to go to these mandatory PDs and the presenter knows less than we do, or like I've been teaching, this is my 22nd year, and some of the presenters are like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years in, and they think they know stuff, or they're just doing stuff to get paid like everybody else. And I try to get some nugget of information. I never know everything. I never claim to know everything. I am always in a state of learning. And that's my first lesson, always learning. I watch my YouTube videos, whether it's about business, or about TPT, or about mindset, mind frame, and growth mindset. Whatever it is, I'm learning YouTube. I'm listening to people. I am taking courses. I am blogging, learning how to blog. I'm reading about blogging. I've attended 2 or 3 of the TPT conferences. So there's always this yearning for learning. T-shirt. Anyway, number 2, dream. I think I've already told you guys I want to be that ELA store, almost like a Walmart or Target, just huge. Middle schoolers, whatever you read, whatever you need, I've got it. High school, even some college, maybe the first levels, because I've taught dual enrollment. So I'm throwing everything in there because I want it to be a one-stop shop for that ELA teacher who either is just starting out or has been teaching for a while and needs to spruce stuff up. Come to my store because I'm going to have that stuff. Now I want to eventually get off the TPT platform completely. Well, not completely, but because I like TPT. Get off the platform and have stuff sold through my own website. But right now I'm there and I want to be that store, that guy. Oh, I'm teaching this and I want to learn how to do this, and I'm teaching this. I want my kids to have fun with this, so I'm going to go to the Angry Teacher store. So dream big. Whatever your dreams are, it is possible. It might take a little time, but it's possible. Number 3, the other thing I've learned, work hard towards the dream. Sometimes I had to turn some people down. We're gonna hang out again this weekend. We just did that last weekend. Give me a break. I need some time to work on my store. We're just hanging out in the parking lot, talking after work. You know what? I need to get going because I got stuff to do. I gotta go work on this. So my dream is here and I'm working towards it because nobody else has this dream. Sometimes, you know, and you've heard countless numbers of TPTers, TPT authors, TPT sellers make this comment, and even people in, you know, business. Everyone doesn't understand your journey. Everyone doesn't understand your story. But if you have the dream, you have to work toward it, because you don't necessarily have anything to prove, but you have something to prove that this is not a joke. This is not my hobby. Might be a side hustle, but I take things seriously. So I'm working toward the dream. I'm working hard toward the dream. So when you want to go hang out again, I'm like, nah, I got this. Catch me next time. Or no, I can't do with this. No, I can't do that for you because I've got something else to do. No. Keep your focus. There has been, and a lot of people in the Facebook groups were talking about this, how there's just been this influx of negative product reviews. Where is it coming from? I don't know if people are frustrated. One person was very insightful. I don't even think she knew how insightful she was. She said that there are a lot of new teachers who are overwhelmed. So when the product doesn't work specifically for their purposes, they get nervous and they write this review, not thinking it through. Or, you know, teachers, you know, if you throw anything at us, we kind of survive. A lot of these teachers are new, probably not even taught to be teachers. So they're just panicking and whatever. So they leave these scathing reviews and it's there. I've had a couple this summer. Don't let it throw you. Keep your focus. TPT sales are down 7%. Don't let it throw you. So a lot of people, including myself, sales have gone down. Don't let it throw you. Keep your focus. It's gonna pick up. Even if it doesn't, pivot. Keep focusing. Keep doing what you're doing because it will pay off. Imposter syndrome. After the bad reviews, after people say X, Y, and Z, after you realize this is not selling as much as you thought because you made this product and you thought it was the best thing since sliced bread, and it's not to a lot of people because they haven't found it yet or whatever, you start doubting yourself. But keep your focus. Don't lose focus. Just keep doing what you need to do. This is the dream and this is how you get to the dream. Sick days. I don't know what's going on, but it's been like 2 weeks. My voice isn't 100% back, but for the most part it's coming back. But some days I just don't feel like doing anything. There was a whole week I didn't go to the gym. If you know me, you know that's a problem. I did not get up to go to the gym. When I got home from work, I didn't even want to do anything. I did not look at my laptop. I didn't even know what's going on in TPT. And if you know me, that's a problem. So you will have those days. You will have those I don't care days, those I don't want to do days, or the Not just your personal sick days, your children will be sick. The pets will be sick. Your spouses will be sick. Your parents will be sick. Life keeps on lifing. So with that said, don't lose focus. You know why you're there, you know what your dream is, and you know how to get there, so work towards it. Number 5, the 5th thing I've learned in 4.5 years of TPT that got me to my first milestone is keep the faith. Keep the faith in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can do this. You can start. Lord knows if I can start at my old age and don't know anything about technology, and if I can do it, you can do it. Have faith in your products. You created this. It worked for your kids. Even if you're trying something that you haven't used with your kids, you put your time and thought into it. Think about these. You thought about these things. Have faith in your product. Whether they're reviews or not from your customers, have faith in the product. Whether there's a bad review, look it over, see if it's making sense, see if they had a problem or they're just being malicious. Look it over, have faith in your product, fix it and move on. Have faith in TPT. Now, every now and then I get a little nervous because my sales are really down this month, and next month, November, we have half a month for the most part, because we have in South Florida, we have a week of Thanksgiving, so nobody's buying anything then. And then in December, it's the same thing. So it's kind of sketchy with how much time we have before the end of the year, but keep faith, because it's a platform that's helping a lot of teachers and helping a lot of students, and we just have to keep going, because I can't put the negative energy out there and worry about that right now. There's so many other things to worry about. So I'm going to keep the faith and hope that things will get better and things will turn around. So those are the lessons I've learned so far from TPT. What does the future look like for the Angry Teacher and the Angry Teacher store? I hope these apply to you too, or I hope you'll take something from this as well. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. I like what I'm doing. I'm a big nerd, so I like creating these things. I'm a creative nerd, I guess, and there's a joy that I have when I'm doing these things. So I'm going to keep doing it until it closes down, until we're done. I'm going to keep hustling until I can't anymore. I'm going to keep on learning. I love listening to the different TPT authors. I love being encouraged by the different people in the Facebook groups, on YouTube. You guys are amazing, by the way. I'm just floored by the amount of inspiration that's found in this community. And so I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep being a part of the community, because there's something there to uplift all the time. And I'm going to be hopeful. The future of the TPT platform, the future of the Angry Teacher and the Angry Teacher store, obviously it's the future, so it's unknown, but I'm going to remain hopeful, because I need to understand that things may be dark right now for some things in some aspects, but it'll work out, because that's all I can do is hope, keep on trucking, keep on dreaming, and keep making my dream come true. That's all I got for you now. I'm just so excited. I hope you're excited with me. And guys, you can make it too. If I can do it, you can do it. Now, it took a while to get here, but I'm there. I want you to be there too. I'm moving on to the next. I think the next milestone is 75. Ooh, that's a lot. 75,000, but we got this, right? We getting there. So guys, go out there, create, make, and plan, and work on your TPT store, because I want to see your video. I want to hear your stories. I want to see how you got here. I want to know what you got planned for the future. Love you guys. See you in the next video.